Hey folks, how you doing today? Here we got I'd say at least $150,000 boat. Looks great, don't it? She's a beautiful boat. Really beautiful. Beautiful boat. But we're having a bunch of complaints because we build handrails like nobody's business, and we're having complaints on our welds on this type of material. Alright, so this goes to all the contractors that decide to use this product that we provide. A weld is not guaranteed. Okay, so we got a $150,000 boat. How about that, Russ? Would you like that at your house over there? How about that one? Maybe that one? Huh? Yeah. Look at that. Alright. So here we are, nice big beautiful boat, got power pole, good day boat right here. Come over to here, and look at these welds, Rust. So if you can find somebody to do it better, and you don't want to use this Monumental anymore, that is fine. I just wanted to show you some proof that this stuff is not that easy to weld, and when you can weld better than what my guys are putting out, here we'll walk over that material on that boat is the material right here that makes these handrails. So I'm gonna give you a picture, a video of all our welds, man. See them? All them welds, and you don't see no clumpy junky. Huh? See that? You didn't see that, and that's not your rails, Russ. Don't worry. Yeah, man. You gotta understand, this stuff ain't for the birds.